How to add customer and vendors in Zoho Books. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure you're on your Zoho Books. And now guys, you're going to head over to sales and tap on customers. Now go to the top right hand corner and click on new for you to add new customer. Go ahead to choose if this customer is a business or an individual, and then what's their salutation. Is it Miss, is it Mrs, is it Doctor, whatever it is you want to add it there. Now go ahead and type in their first name and their last name. I already have mine saved on my system. That is the reason why the phone number and the email address came together. And now you're going to go ahead to add the company's name. That is if yours is a business, and then I'm going to add the display name, what I would like to call this person. Now you want to scroll down to other details, and then you're going to be inputting the details here according to your customer's detail. You also want to add the billing address and the shipping address. Like I said, you're going to fill this out according to your own customer. So the details you have about them, that is what you're going to be using to fill it out. And when you are done, you want to click on save, and you've just added a new customer to your Zoho Books. Now let's head over to adding a new vendor. Now you want to head over to purchases, and then you're going to be tapping on vendor. Now head over to the top right hand corner of your screen and click on new. Now you want to go ahead and type in the vendor's salutation, type in their first name and their last name. Now your vendor's company, you want to go ahead and write their name. Now what's the display name for this particular company? Are you going with their first name, or you want to go with their company's name? You have that liberty to choose. Now you also want to type in the email address of this company and also their phone number. Now you want to go ahead and add in other vital informations of this vendor, like the vendor's ID. You want to go ahead and add that, and when you are done, you want to tap on save, and you've just added a vendor to Zoho Books. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.